Alright, what's up, everybody? Let's go check on the girls. Do this one-handed. Alright, come on. As I suspected. Sleeping on the ground again? Come on, Strawberry. Get on the roost. That's why I like Bantams. You could literally just pick them up. Alright, Mango. Daylight. My little dainty little thing. Look at her. Just look at her. Yeah. You're so tiny. Okay, girl. Oh. Easy. Alright. You huddle together for warmth. Yeah. Alright. Good night, girls. I'll let you out tomorrow. Alright, now check on the main flock. Okay, there we go. Hey, Jeremy. Poppy, Poppy. Lily. Pearl, Midnight. Alright, let's see how many eggs we have today. Okay. Take note that only 2 or 3 were laid today. And I'll point to which ones were laid. Okay. This one is Lily's egg today. Thank you, Lily. This one is Poppy's egg. Looks the same to me. Very similar to Lemon's. I'm not sure which is Lemon's. So we technically have 3 eggs today, so the other ones don't count. Jeremy, you're gonna have to come inside. Yes, come on, let's go. We can't have you crowing at 4 a.m. as you're leaving February 7th. Don't worry, the girls will visit you time to time. Alright, no. Come on, Jeremy. Let's go. Yeah. Okay. Jeremy. Alright. You have a good night, everyone. Peace out.